Okay, we gonna be covering series of different topics, showing you how you can correct issues, or gotta watch what you say here. That's why I'm putting together a school on sckool.com. I'm putting something together that will all the protocols that we deal with on a regular basis. You'll be able to sign up on a membership and be able to take care of that, like high blood pressure, diabetes, hair loss, weight loss, belly fat, everything that we're dealing with over 50 years old plus, and you youngsters that's under 50, 40 and up, is for you too. But mainly main issue starts kicking in heavily around 40 plus, and it gets real bad when we reach 50 and over. It gets really bad. So I want to have something that give you the instead of the what and the why here, because they only allow us to say what and why is here. And when you're a big kind of content creator like myself, gotta watch when you're giving up the how. Okay. So that's what that community will there for. So make sure you opt into the email list. That should be finished and completed in the next, I would say, couple weeks to a month. But and yeah, members that are already members, you already know we about to drop these early bird sale in a minute. Now,
Something exciting is on the horizon at Four Cycles of Life. Join our email list at fourcyclesoflife.com to unlock freebies, wellness insights, and exclusive updates on our upcoming app, community forum, health directory, and ebooks. Sign up today. You don't want to miss what's next.
now, there are things that people make a huge mistake when it comes to weight loss. They make it harder than what it is. Okay, so it's simple foods that you should be eating. You should be more focused on Mother Nature foods. And there's so much information on the tube space and the health space. Everybody's an expert. It's amazing. Yeah. Most people have not even been in the health field for 15, 20 plus years, but they're an expert. I'm not saying as a natural healer or someone in your home, you can't be uh, an expert, or you can't be someone that knows, what to do with your body, but at least know more than the basics. Know more than the basics before you get out there and you start teaching. Okay? That's what I kind of feel like a person should require. So things like uh, Candida cleanse, you got to know what that is. That everything that's a protocol will be on my membership school. Candida cleanse, that's kind of like the first line of defense when you're dealing with somebody or you're trying to make sure you reset your body. You got to kind of cleanse the body or detox the body. That's kind of a 101. But let's get into some things where people make mistakes. Over the years, I must have taken about over 10 plus different courses with different teachers. And the ones that became my favorite is Dr. Walter Kepner, Dr. John McDougall, and Dr. Layla Africa. Wow. These have became my favorite three doctors. If we talking about doctors, okay? Individuals that took a little bit of extra time to go from master herbalist to getting that doctor's degree, PhD at least, to make sure that they could share. It's simple more than you think. So let me give you some things to make it simple. You're dealing with meat. That's one. People think that people in my house don't eat meat. And I know a lot of y'all eat it. Most of you eat it. So you at least need to know what it do. Everyone has its purpose. You got meat. I don't care. We're not trying to be specific. We know there's several different types of meat out there and whatnot. This should be classified in the protein section. Okay. You got dairy, cheese. Okay. You got rice slash starch, grain. Okay, that fall in there as well. This rice, starch. You got yourself some bread in the wheat section. Okay, carbohydrates, bread. Okay, pretty much everything got carbohydrates. All right. Then you have yourself some beans. All right. I forgot them bad boy. I didn't forget. I ate it. That bad boy was good. I had an apple and an orange. That's in the fruit section. Then you have vegetables. Okay, we don't have to get all deep in this science right here, but everything has its purpose. Everything has its purpose. You get confused on its job and what it's supposed to do. Okay? You have fruits, vegetables, you have beans, you have starches, okay? You got wheat, got grains. Everybody get confused on what they're supposed to do with it. Okay? You're getting all these different messages and people telling you how and what and stay on this diet, carnivore, ketos, paleo, vegan, vegetarian. Everybody telling you what you should and should not eat and how and what's more important. Most people are talking about avoiding a disease, heavy inflammation, but you need to focus on long term as well and focus on what the body's synchrony and what it likes the best. One thing about these three doctors, what they gave me, is they made sure you kept it simple with Mother Nature. You don't change the structure a lot. I'm not telling you to eat raw. I'm not telling you to be a vegetarian that you sucked up and so skinny that you can't see yourself. I'm not telling you to do all that. You know, most everything got protein, carbohydrates, and the macros in it, you know, and the fats. But you got to know how the body can take care of you instead of you trying to take care of the body. Let me say it one more time. You got to know how to make sure the body will take care of you instead of you taking care of the body. You literally try to do what everybody in mainstream tell you what to do for your body. Now, here's where a lot of people make mistakes. Now, they don't make mistakes in my house with this for sure because I couldn't find the particular facts that's in the house. Okay, so because it ain't in there, it's these are real problematic. Because they want you to use the correct words. You got AI watching you now, so ain't no way it's gonna be no wrong seeded oil in my cabinet. You don't be you're going to the store allowing them to put together your own these box stuff. You're letting them lace your food with different types of fats and trans fats. And these don't do well in the body. They don't do well in the body. You got to know how to cook it right. You got to know how it's going to raise calories in your body, how it's going to change the structure of your body, how it's going to affect your energy, your mood. You got to know all of that. And this is where a lot of people make mistakes at it when it comes to the oils, the fats. You up here using vegetable oil. You using canola oil. You using Crisco oil. Come on, man. That's fats. And then when you heat certain ones up, they turn rancid. Okay? Then when you buying stuff at the store, it's already laced and mixed with fats. So in order to make sure that you're not really gaining a lot of weight, make sure you're not buying something that's full of fats. Huh? You got to know the difference between carbohydrates. Okay? The difference between protein, fats. Is sugar bad for you? Which one? If it's made from Mother Nature, how is it going to be bad for you? Really? They got everybody just all twisted and confused, and you don't know what to do. And that's what's causing you to have sugar blood. That's what's causing you to have overly load your mucous membranes. That's causing you to have that inflammation, chronic inflammation in your body. And then when you have stuff like that, your body is just doing what? It's just storing fat, storing fat. If you're storing if you already got a lot of stored fat, your BMI is already high. What you doing eating fat? What are you doing buying stuff that's laced and full of fat already? Because it tastes so good. Feeding the gremlin, what they call the ghrelin, underneath the lining of your stomach. That's the magic. That's what you need to understand. So you can't run from fruits and vegetables and beans and sweet potatoes and rice and oats and and other natural meals and whatnot. I mean, you just got to know its purpose. Oh, individuals eat meat ain't making you fat, but it does have fat in it. So if you eat a lot of it, best believe you most likely thick on the, and a little bit on the fat side. Yeah. So understand the genetics and makeup of your body. Understand how these things work. So I do have a freebie down below, understanding calories. All right. Make sure you hit that link and it'll send it to your it'll ask you for your name and your email, and then boom, you'll be able to download. It's free. So you can understand at least the basics of things. The basics. At least understand the basics. So when I start teaching here and giving away that information and giving away that more of that information more and more, you'll understand. You won't be lost. Okay? But yeah, this stuff right here is the combination is making you fat. Not understanding what carbohydrates purpose is, and the right carbohydrates, aka laced and boxed and oh so sweet and mixed with fats and making sure it has this and that to make sure you addicted and speaking to your hypothalamus gland and speaking that and you're grilling and giving you the cravings. You can't even quiet the storm, and you just getting thicker and thicker and thicker than a Snicker. Okay. So now that you already at least understand that you shouldn't be mixing a lot of fats with your foods, if you already fat, why would you be mixing more fat with your food? Okay? You got to know how to curve it. You got to know how to do things in a proper manner. You got to know how to do things that's not going to actually cause you issues and high blood pressure and high and insulin resistance and making your cells not work the proper way like they're supposed to work. You got to know how to take care of you. Herbert Sckool, Mother Nature is your gift to help the living. Peace.